And Nikki, the Judicial Council is made up mostly of judges, and it is the court system's leadership. Well, it decided to postpone that vote after speaking with lawmakers and the governor.
The last thing that we want to do at this very moment is to force people out on the street.
Assemblyman David Chu from San Francisco is one of several state lawmakers urging the California Judicial Council to continue its hold on eviction cases.
We've asked the Judicial Council to put off this particular decision and not consider opening up the courts for eviction lawsuits in a couple weeks, because I think that could be catastrophic for so many suffering Californians.
When the COVID-19 pandemic started, statewide emergency orders suspended foreclosures and evictions. The Judicial Council originally said those orders would stay in place until 90 days after Governor Gavin Newsom lifts the California stay-at-home order. But Wednesday's vote would allow evictions to resume August 3rd.
Folks just don't have the savings. They've maxed out their credit cards. You've got too many folks who very likely will not be able to pay back rent.
Chu says he introduced a new bill today, which would help renters who have lost their jobs or had their hours cut due to COVID-19 stay in their homes while trying to repay back rent they weren't able to pay during the pandemic.
They could sue you, but just through a different route, but without being able to force you out of your home.
But he says even in the best case scenario, that bill won't become law until the end of the summer.
It could be that we have months during which landlords could go to courts, file eviction lawsuits for folks because they can't pay this back rent. And that could be catastrophic.
Yeah, and the California Apartment Association, which represents property owners, they were very much in favor of evictions starting again up in the courtroom. We have their statement up on our website, fox40.com. Meanwhile, the Judicial Council also voted today to reinstate bails. That had also been put on pause for low-level offenders because they were scared that too many people would be in the jails and COVID would spread like wildfire in there. But as of today, bail is back on for those low-level offenses. Reporting live in Oak Park tonight, Doug Johnson, Fox 40 News.